Thank you for joining us. We have some trending news to share here on Kalkine TV. My name is Sage. The Tesla Model Y SUV price is not eligible for the government rebate. And the battery metals sector is attracting the attention of the investors as we are on the cusp of Australia's EV boom. Although Australian uptake of electric vehicles has been slow compared to many other nations, mostly due to price range, Tesla's Model Y SUV has opened its order book for interested motorists here in Australia. The Model Y is priced to be a family car rather than a prestige vehicle, being under $75,000. However, the base price for the Model Y is at $68,900, excluding road costs such as CTP green slips and registration, GST, delivery and order fee. At present, state government rebates in South Australia, New South Wales and Victoria allow consumers a $3,000 incentive rebate on the purchase of new electric vehicles if the price is on or under $68,740 in Victoria and $68,750 in New South Wales and South Australia. Under the existing arrangements, however, buyers of the new Tesla Model Y SUV will miss out on the $3,000 rebate due to Tesla's price exceeding the cutoff by $160. This is due to the delivery fee of $1,375 and the order fee of $350, pushing the total costs over the existing thresholds by close to $160. Under the former Morrison federal government, Australian state governments had been in charge of their electric vehicle strategies, with many states putting into action the electrification of their public transport bus fleets as well as other government service fleets. The new Labor Albanese federal government, who won the election with the party's climate-focused strategies, is putting the mass adoption of electric vehicles as a priority for his government. The Albanese government's goal is to have 3.8 million EVs on Australian roads by 2030 in the aim to significantly reduce carbon emissions by 43%. As part of its election campaign, the Labor Party promised an introduction of an electric car discount through allowing EVs to be tariff and fringe benefit free. That was fringe benefit tax free, I should say. They are committing $251 million in investment funds for the sector, which will impact EVs not previously covered by free trade agreements, such as cars manufactured in the United Kingdom like the Nissan Leaf and Mini Cooper SE. Tesla's Model Y has a long-range battery with the ability to cover 514 kilometres before recharging. It can seat 5 adults, comes with a 4-year warranty and has a top speed of 250 kilometres. It's not manufactured in the United Kingdom. Electric vehicles have always been important to the Labor government. In the 2019 federal election, Bill Shorten, the former Labor leader, picketed to have at least 50% of Australia's new car sales to be electric vehicles by 2030. However, now former Prime Minister Morrison and his Liberal government did not share the same sentiment relating to the importance of electric vehicle adoption. Probably one of the reasons the Liberal government was voted out of power in the most recent election. There is an evident increase in interest from Australian motorists into electric vehicles. In 2021, 20,665 EVs were sold in Australia, which means 2% of all car sales are EVs in Australia at present, an increase from 0.78% in 2020. Many powerhouse nations are moving aggressively towards mass adoption of EVs, with the United Kingdom announcing from 2030 they will ban the sale of new combustion engine vehicles, and the EU aim to do the same by 2035. Thank you for your time and tuning into the Trending News Report. Hope you have a great long weekend ahead if you are in the eastern states, and keep watching for more live expert talks and market insights. Stay safe and well. Sage signing off for now.